Guten Tag, Herr Wallis hier. Heute wollte ich mit euch sprechen über die Zahlen. Today I wanted to talk to you about the numbers, and I know that's a very basic topic, but some of you out there may need some help with some of the basics. So we're going to go over the numbers today from 0 to 12. And I've written them here on the board. Die Zahlen means the numbers, and they begin with 0 and go to 12. So we're going to start counting in German. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So for some pronunciation help and some things to watch, when you're dealing with diphthongs in German, especially this particular one, diphthong is nothing more than two vowels, as I say, hanging out together. This is an E and an I, so you want to pronounce the German word like you would the last vowel in English in this particular combination. So EI, you're going to say it like eins. It's almost like you would just say eins, and then zwei, and then drei. But when it switches, you're going to pronounce the E, so it'd be like vier, and a V normally has the sound of an F, so it's vier, almost like an F. Fünf, umlauts are just, not a U sound, which is a U, but with umlauts, so it's Ü, so it's fünf. And then you have sechs. This almost sounds like a Z. Sechs, sieben, acht. And then this is another diphthong. It's an EU, which has the sound in English basically of oi, so it's neun. Then you have zehn. Again, the Z, when it's heading a word, is almost like a TS sound. So it's zehn and zwei. This has the W, which is a V, so zwei and zehn. Then you have elf, which is really easy for us to remember as English speakers for obvious reasons. And then you have a really hard word here, zwölf, which is like a ZW. So I tried to write it out phonetically. If you were saying it, it'd be like zwölf, almost like TSVERF, but it's pronounced zwölf. What you should try to do in learning the numbers is not just learn the order, but also learn them out of order, because in a very practical sense, numbers always don't come in order. So like phone numbers and things are good to practice if you want to practice your numbers. So again, here's the German. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I have a little rhyme that might help you remember that. So over here I've written it, and it simply goes like this. 1, 2, Polizei, 3, 4, Offizier, 5, 6, alte Hex, 7, 8, gute Nacht, 9, 10, auf Wiedersehen. Polizei is police, officer, old witch, alte Hex, gute Nacht, good night, und auf Wiedersehen. So this is again a rhyme that can help you with the numbers. 1, 2, Polizei, 3, 4, Offizier, 5, 6, alte Hex, 7, 8, gute Nacht, 9, 10, auf Wiedersehen. And then to remember 11 and 12, I came up with my own addition, which is 11, 12, squish a smurf. And we always get a good laugh out of that. Now we also have another song that I've heard, which is basically a change on an older German song, but it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, wo ist dann mein Schuh geblieben? Ist nicht hier, ist nicht da, ist in Amerika. So this is just a little song to practice the numbers 1 through 7, and the words say, where is then my shoe? It's not here, it's not there, is he or is it in America, okay? So ich hoffe, dass es hilfreich war. Auf Wiedersehen!